Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll walk you through the Same Party Date New Bill option, a smart feature that helps you control whether to create a new bill or edit an existing one when billing the same party on the same day. So let's get started. Head to the Sales Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here, you will find an option labeled Same Party Date New Bill, which includes 3 parameters. Let's explore each of these parameters one by one. The first parameter, No Action option, means the system will not perform any specific action, and a new bill will be created regardless of any existing bills for the same party on the same date. Moving on to the second parameter, Edit Bill After Party Selection. This option indicates if the user selects the same party on the same date again while creating a new bill, the system will automatically retrieve and open the previously saved bill for that party and allow the user to edit the bill. Now, let's take a closer look at its functionality by generating a sales bill. Let's regenerate the sales bill using the same party that was previously selected. As observed, as we select the same party again, the software automatically opens the previous bill associated with that party. Now you can edit the same bill and save the changes accordingly. Moving on to the third parameter, Edit Bill After Item Selection specifies that when the same party is entered and the same item is added to the bill again, the system will retrieve the previous bill containing the same item for that party. Let's generate a sales bill. Let's regenerate the sales bill using the same party and the same item that was previously selected. As we select the same party and the same item, the system will automatically open the previous bill with the same item of the same party. Now you can edit the same bill and save the changes accordingly.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.